How's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and let's talk about binding in Svelte. So for this example, I'm gonna need to use TypeScript or my text editor is gonna start barking at me, and I can easily do this with just lang and then ts, and then we are all set. So the first thing I wanna do is I wanna bind this input element to a variable, and I can do that by using let input. And I'm just going to go ahead and type this as an HTML input element. And what I'm going to do down here on the tag itself is use bind this and pass in input. Okay, that's all we have to do, which is really nice. Whenever we're using the keyword this right here after bind, it is referencing the element itself. All right, and let's go ahead and test this out. Let's create an onClick handler once again. Let's pass in an arrow function. And what we're going to do is we're just going to manipulate the style here. So input.style.background. And let's go ahead and just assign this to red, something simple. Okay, so here we are. We click and that element has been manipulated. But we also may want to bind the value. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll say let message, and let's just go ahead and give it some default message like, please type here. Okay, something random. And what we're going to do is we are going to bind the value to message. Okay, and as you see, it already appears, which is super nice. And this is so easy to pull off, so easy to configure. Now, what we can do, just to kind of take a look at this in a deeper way, is we can go ahead and render the message as well down here. And you're going to see that this message in this H1 tag is going to automatically update when this value changes, which is awesome. So as you see, whatever we're typing here, I'm going to say hello, everyone. That is going to be bound to this, which is great. Now, we actually get two-way binding in Svelte, meaning if you change, the message in the input, that's going to change the variable. If you change the variable, that's going to change the, input value as well. So this is super easy to manage in Svelte, and I think you're going to get a lot of use out of it. So if you did find this helpful, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.